Hi everyone! Let's introduce the materials. We'll be using a needle this time, and attached to it is stretchable string. Let's add glass flower beads as a center charm to our bracelet. We also will be needing some magnets beads. I'm not so sure what it's called. Do tell me in the comments. The last materials are lots of beads into colors, or you can also just use one color. Start by picking the beads alternately between pink and blue. You can also make half blue and half pink, or pick a few blue and pick the same amount of pink alternately. This will take a bit longer, since I'm using a needle for sewing the clothes. But if you are using the beading needle, it will be faster since it's longer. I love this combination. What about you? What colors do you like? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to bring the beads till the end of the string. Just make sure to leave enough room to tie in to avoid the beads in the string falling. Looks like I'm halfway done. I'll string enough to make to 18mm stretchable bracelet. Another tip, if you don't have a needle at home, you can also make your own. Just use the 0.5mm wire and shape it to become a needle. Cut enough length and make two ends of the wire meet. Then give it a little twist at the end of the combined wire. Yay, almost finished! Let's push it a little bit more so we can fit the rest of the beads. The last 3 beads. Now make sure the beads are not separated from each other. Find the center. Take one flower bead and one magnet bead and slide into the string. Find the center again. we need to cut at the center to split it into 2 pairs of bracelets. Place the string down properly. This is to avoid our hard work coming to waste. Pull out the needle. We can tie the bracelet afterwards. Adjust the beads so we will have enough string on both sides to tie it properly. Cut the extra string. One is done. Let's make the other one. Put the flower bead and 1 magnet bead in. Tie it securely.
Welcome to the place where dreams collide. Hands and heart in rhythm side by side. Every tiny beat tells its own tale. Thread the magic, let your spirit sail. Stringing joy with colors oh so bright. Crafting wonders from the morning light. Every pattern is a dance so true. Bellbeat Studio, we see it through. Come along, create a world so fine. Catch the spark.
I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next video.
In this space where artistry begins. Bellbeat Studio, where love wins. Lay your worries down and find your peace in the tapestry of sweet release. Every loop's a heartbeat, soft but strong. Join our journey, come and